All right, welcome to today's market briefing. Today is Monday, 27th July. So let's take a look at the news we have for today. So as you can see, we don't have any major red envelope news. We don't have no major red envelope news, no brown envelope, just yellow envelope. And like I told you, yellow envelope news, they have the lowest impact in the market. Some of them don't even impact the market at all. So today you're free to trade throughout today without being scared of any news, unless there is just an emergency news that drops, like Trump coming to his Twitter handle to drop one message statement that will fuck up the market. So that's just it. So with that said, you can go to the market. Let's look at crypto first. BTC. Let's see the view of BTC for this week. So once again, welcome to this week market briefing on BTC. It's a new week, so let's go to the weekly time frame. Here's the weekly time frame. So BTC on the weekly, you will notice that we are bearish. Took out so many major lows here. So currently we are testing this demand zone here on weekly time frame. And if you look very well, you see that the market did not just get to this demand zone here. It had so many liquidity zones it had to clear before getting to this demand zone. At the same time, it created an engineered liquidity here, very close to the demand zone. It took out this engineered liquidity one. Can see took it out with a week. After that, it still came back and took out this low again. After that, continued. The lowest point was also cleared. Market took out this low. Also took out this candles low on weekly. So the next point you're expecting market to reach, to take out, is this high here, around 7252. It's 7252 for BTC. Let's go to daily. The major trend was bearish before market did what? Before market dropped within this demand zone and started breaking structures, taking out lows, telling you that we are about to change trend. So on daily here, so this was taking out This was swept. After this sweep, got a break of this high to say. We have a new demand zone that was created, but not like it's quite valid, but it's a demand zone, so you have to mark it out because there is no fair value gap here or the rest. So after this move, you got another move here, break of structure. As you can see how the market is weak within this demand, pushed up price. So you have another break of structure here. After that, there was a pullback. There's a pullback within this weak level. The market is heading up again towards this high, then this high. So from this, you'll see where we are going to, see where we are coming from, and you're seeing where we are heading to. You can get to 4 hours. Basically the same thing on 4 hours. Let's go to 1 hour where we stop. Let's see. So from 4 hours, we are from the higher time frame, we are bullish. Have another break of structure here. This 1 hour now, and from 1 hour, that is rally base rally. Market pushed down, took out this high, took out this low rather. Pushed down, took out this low again, and started selling. I see it picked this other block to zone, started selling. Break to the downside. A break to the downside, sold from here. Another break to the downside. And this low was not taken out. So basically, the two zones we are looking at, for us to be fully switched to bullish mode, for this 1 hour time frame to switch to bullish mode to align with the general trend, is for market to take out this high. The market takes out this high and gives us maybe a second break of structure. Then we'll now find the entry. So this is the area we are looking at on 1 hour on BTC. BTC should take out this high. We should expect a little push to make this move efficient. Then we'll target this area, which is 67200 area. That's for BTC. But if it fails to break this high, to break and close above this high, if it fails, then we should expect maybe something like this into something like take out this uh to take out this high here, counter high, takes it out without taking out this one, then it gives an internal shift, internal break of structure like this. You get a push up and we'll target this low. So basically this is the two way we are looking at. But the money, my money is in BTC aligning with 4 hours market structure by taking out this zone. That's where my money is. So if it takes out this zone on a normal, you play with your gambling from the lowest to the highest point. When it creates it, then you take out this high, you expect it to come back and you do what? You buy from this zone and target this zone. So for BTC, for hope this is being recorded. Yeah, so for BTC, this is basically the where my money is here. So hopefully we'll get this move. So let's go to XAU. All right. Welcome to market briefing on gold. Is a new week. Let's clear the charts. Go to weekly. Weekly time frame, nothing really much interesting. The same pattern we have been looking at over the week last week, throughout last week. Our market take out this, you know, took out this, took out this. There's a sweep back here. So market took out this low, pushed up, sweep this zone, took out this, took out this. So there's not much interesting news on daily. On weekly, you can also see that market is just reacting to this resistance, to this support zone. Market is reacting to this support zone, which has refused to fail on weekly. This is a major support zone in line with previously tested weekly fair value gap. This is a previously tested, it was previously filled, so it's in line with the support zone. So let's go to the weekly, to the daily rather. From daily, if you're a time frame, what's it called? If you're a trend line trader, that's why I see for we can pinpoint our trend line areas. If you're a trend line trader on daily, No, this is let's just call it is the falling wedge. If this trend line is to play out, normal falling wedges, a push up, a retest till it takes out this high. I don't falling wedge usually implies. But let's just play the market structure and see if it aligns. So market has been reacting on this support zone for weeks, months even. The lowest point we had is here. The lowest point we had is here, which was a zone that swept the liquidity zone. After that, there was a breakout structure to the upside. Started now says we have to target this zone. The first target we're looking at for us to confirm a bullish move on daily. But you can see the last major zone that market reacted to on daily is this demand zone here. This is demand zone, and the last day market closed with an indecision candle. Market closed with an indecision candle. We have to go to the lower time frame, which is 4 hours. So understand our move. So from 4 hours, I gave us this direction last week. This was our third point of reaction, if you could remember. This was our third point of reaction last week, which market it came to and bounced off. But I think I pushed it towards this zone. So did not fully tap into our zone. That was why I kind of missed this entry. But I later went to a lower time frame and I saw some few good entries, which I dropped in the Telegram group for you guys to study. So if I marked the full candle, you see that market broke, retested, and after a retest of a trend line should be able to fill 90% of the move. So that is basically coming and taking out this high, or coming and taking out this high. So with this trend line coupled with this breakout structure here, major breakout structure, if you use a tool, you run through it, you see that this is within the demand zone and is in line with the weekly breakout structure, the daily breakout structure to say. So I'd definitely say that we are bullish on gold, basically bullish on XAU. So you notice after this bush, XAU came and it's currently reacting on 4 hour fair value gap. So this is just a reaction of 4 hours fair value gap. Come to your lower time frame and see if you catch any entry move. This is a major zone that is reacting to 4-hour fair value gap that is in line with the last zone that you sold from. I see it. But let's just hope this is a reaction because we focus more on the area the market is coming from rather than where it's reacting to. So continuation is always better for me. So from all this move, you'll notice that this reaction will just be a minor reaction. Then market will continue with its move to the upside till we take out this, or we take out this. So I'm giving you guys the overall review. Let me see if we'll be able to pick out a particular reaction point. Should be expecting XAUUSD to react from. So the particular swing we have on 1 hour is here. So I should let me draw that again. This is the particular swing we have. So I should expect XAU within this zone. Then I'll go to my lower time frame to find a good entry zone that I'll ride with. But this reaction does not fear me. So with this point, I decide to go to 5 minutes time frame. So I go to 5 minutes time frame now, and I'll play price. I'll just follow price direction of 5 minutes time frame. The last push up high. So okay, I can come take out this low. This is the major low. If it takes out this low, should be expecting to buy. So I'll just play price on 5 minutes and see where it takes us. Play price 5 minutes, follow the move of the market and see where it takes you. So that is it for XAU. Let's see how the week plays out. So is there any pair you would want me to look at for you guys? Let me take one more from you guys before we call it a day. Is there any pair you would want me to look at? Just raise your hand and I will meet you. All right, so go ahead.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Maybe we should look at JPP USD or AUD USD.
You have to choose one, please.
Let's check JPP USD.
AUD USD.
Yes.
Okay. The last time we analyzed AUD USD from the chart, because I don't trade it, you notice that we missed our entry. We missed our entry because I was hoping price would come to this zone. but it failed to rather use this particular demand zone here. Last time we looked at AUD, everything was in line from the bullish move or this momentum. So I was expecting market to tap here. I was bullish last time, but market failed to tap here and continued the bullish move. So let's just reanalyze and see break. Wait. So the swing points area is here. The major zone you should be targeting is this zone, this high. Let's align our indicator and see. So the demand zones we are looking at is this zone, one, then this. So I will wait and see how market plays when it's getting towards this zone for me to know if I should buy from here, if I should buy from here. So if market fails to take out this high, if market fails to take out this high and keeps on dropping, the momentum is dropping, which will determine if I will buy from here. If I get a confirmation buy from here, or I'll wait for it to use this zone as inducement, then I'll buy from here. For AUD, couple that it does not take out this high. But if it takes out this high, you should be expecting another demand, so maybe comes up, take out this low, then buy. So this is just what I'm expecting on. This is what I'm expecting on on AUD. What I'm expecting on AUD. So that is it for AUD. We just have to keep high on this. So thank you guys for tuning in. We would have done a psychology tip, but I have some engagements early this morning. So tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow, and we're going to talk about an interesting psychological tip tomorrow. So don't miss out.